Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2014 on a 14 plate Mercedes-Benz C200 Sport. This is the 2-litre petrol with the automatic gearbox and 4 doors, finished in diamond silver metallic, and the car's covered just 47,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this really nice low mileage automatic petrol saloon C Class. We do like a C Class here, and certainly have done over the years. And this is a nice one, July 2014 registered, 47,000 miles, 2 owners from new. The current lady has had the car since right back in 2016, since it was just a couple of years old, so the vast majority of its life. We've got these really nice 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. They're in good shape. 47,000 miles, excellent service history, 8 recorded services right the way through its life, some at Mercedes themselves, some at independent garages like us, but properly looked after right the way through. Very sensible running costs. It's 184 brake horsepower, so it goes nicely, but up towards 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run according to Mercedes in terms of fuel consumption. £160 a year to tax, so not particularly expensive on the road tax costs either. So it ticks a lot of boxes if you're after a family saloon car, a nice, luxurious, good value bit of German motoring. Looks great in this diamond silver metallic, which is like a silver, almost like a very pale blue, depending on the light. And then as we have a look inside, fantastic level of specification on this sport model. We've got full leather interior, seats are in tremendous shape, really good condition. They're electronically adjustable in the front. Door cards are all in good nick. You've got remote central locking, of course, does come supplied with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. You've got a power, you've got a boot release button there. Front seats are also heated, and you've got 3 levels to that. It's got its original Mercedes carpet mats, automatic lights. There's your 2 keys. Up onto the steering wheel, which again is in good shape. You've got controls for both your radio, you've got your Bluetooth controls, you've got your trip computer. You've also got your flappy paddles if you want to change gear in a semi-manual mode. That's your automatic gear shifter. Down below we've got speed limiter with cruise. Centre armrest, there's some storage under there. Loads of storage, in fact. And then you've got this central sort of iDrive system. All your handbooks are in the glove box, and that's how you work the screen up above. Obviously you've got dual zone climate control, and then up here you've got DAB digital radio. You've got Bluetooth for your satellite navigation, which will hopefully spring into life. There we go. That's us, Ross on Y, excellent. So really nice level of spec. You've also got a reversing camera that comes up on the screen there as well. Into the rear, you got your carpet mats in the back. Again, electric windows, and again, really nice condition. 3 headrests, 3 proper seat belts. ISOFIX for child seats. You've got a fold down centre armrest there as well. Parking sensors front and rear to go along with your reversing camera. And then into the back of the car. Loads and loads of space, as you'd expect on a big saloon Mercedes. You've got some storage on either side. And underneath you've also got some more storage. You've got your locking wheel nut keys and your inflation kit. So there we have it, July 2014 C200 Sport Automatic, 47,000 miles, 2 owners. Current lady's had the car for over 8 years. 8 service stamps in the book as well. £160 a year to tax, that's all. Sensible fuel consumption. Finance is available from less than £250 a month based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with an MOT until August of 2025, along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Excellent value example, proper history, nice ownership, cracking level of spec. I'm sure this will be popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.